Sparsh and you're watching Sparsh Hacks. Friends, क्या आपको पता है कि मेरी फर्स्ट वीडियो में मैंने सिखाया था कि थ्रेड पेंटिंग कैसे करते हैं। अगर आपने अभी तक वीडियो नहीं देखी हुई है तो उस वीडियो का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है। तो आज समक्ष आपको सिखाएगा कि स्टैम्प पेंटिंग कैसे करते हैं। समक्ष, are you ready? I can't hear you. Yeah. So let's start. तो सबसे पहले समक्ष एक बैकग्राउंड बनाएगा using watercolors. Take your brush. Very good. Take paint. Okay. And paint the background. Okay, take a different color. तो हम एक मल्टी कलर बैकग्राउंड बना रहे हैं। Samaksh, don't take more water, take more color. Look like this. Okay, Samaksh, you need to make a rainbow background. Wow, look, so many colors. Samaksh, take a bright color, a beautiful color. Take yellow. It will look so bright. Chalo, come on. So Samaksh, you painted the background. अब हम यहाँ पे ट्री और ग्राउंड बना रहे हैं using the black color. Samaksh, do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like your painting?
Yeah.
So beautiful. Tell me what I'm making.
A ground.
The ground, very good.
But you don't make a. But you didn't make a tree here.
We will make one tree, okay?
Not. We make an apple tree.
Okay. We'll make an apple tree.
We make 2 apple trees.
Now we're making one apple tree.
We make the red color apple, okay?
Okay.
And we make the green color a straw, okay?
तो हमने ग्राउंड और ट्री को कलर कर लिया है. Is it looking beautiful, Samaksh?
Yeah!
Now we've taken this cycle stamp. I will paint it white and you have to stamp it over here, okay?
But not in black color.
Yes, not in black color, in front of the tree. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Press it, press it, press it tight. Pick it up. Wow! It's so beautiful.
But that's not ready yet.
3, 2, 1. Press, press, press. Wow! Now let's do it again. Press, press, press. And pick it up. Wow!
We did 3 pencils and all.
तो अब हमने earbuds लिए हैं and using these earbuds we'll make flowers on the tree.
No, apples.
Okay, we'll make apples on the tree. So let's dip this in red paint. Here you go, Samaksh. You have to dab them on the side. Okay? Over here. Very good.
Apple.
Now over here.
Apple.
Very good. Here.
Apple.
So let's take more color.
No.
And here. Last. On the top. Chalo. Very good. Very good. Wow, you're so good.
My painting is ready.
Wow, the painting sketching is ready. Now let's remove the tape. Samaksh, here you go. Your painting. Hold it down, hold it down. Yay! Do you like it?
I made this painting and it's awesome.
It's awesome. That's right. तो फ्रेंड्स, है ना, ये बहुत ही सुंदर पेंटिंग. आप भी इसे बनाओ और उसकी फोटोज हमारे साथ ग्रुप पे शेयर करो. अगर आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी, लाइक करो, शेयर करो और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. बाय. हैव फन, बी क्रिएटिव.